Welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to install the Windows Server 2016. I think the GNS is supported, so let's go ahead and do the installation. So click on new template and click on next and go to the guest category, and you can see that there is a Windows Server over here. Click on install, click on next, and you can see that by default it is supporting 2016 and 2012. So I think I do have the 2019 version, so I will just click on cancel. I will go to my FileZilla first, and I will just open the directory where my files have been saved. And yep, I do have the Windows 2019, so I will just double click on this one, and it will transfer to my GNS3 directory over here. And if you look at the GNS3 directory, it's on the opt GNS3 images KMO. So I am transferring that file to this particular directory on the GNS. Also, once the file has been transferred, so I will just copy this name. So I'll just right click on this one, rename, and copy the name of that file. And I will just go back to my GNS3 now, click on new template, click on next, go to the guest category and select Windows Server, click on install, click next, and it should list you the files, the directory. Right, so my version is 2019, so I will just click on create new version, and I will say that it is 2019. Click on OK, and I will just paste that ISO image file name, click OK, and this one is the hard disk file, so I will just click OK. So if you see that I am missing the 100G files, I will just click on above here. So if I click over here, it will not show me to downloading file. So I will just click on here on the above version, click on download, and it would start the download of the file automatically. Right, so the file has been downloaded, so I will just go ahead and I will do a refresh, and you can see that it is been ready to install. So click on next, click on yes, and finish, and OK. So if I go to my guest category, and here you can see that I am having Windows Server 2019, and I will just do a right click and configure. You can see that by default it is using 2 GB of RAM and 1 CPU, but I recommend you to go with the 2 CPUs. Right, so click on OK, and I will do a right click, start, and get a console of it. And you can see that I am installing now 2019 Windows Server 2019. Right, so you can see that I have just started the setup so that to show that Windows 2019 is being supported by the GNS3. Right, I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.